Hello children! Today we are going to learn the letter H. Let's look at the picture and learn the words that start with the letter H. H for helicopter. H for hat. H for horse. H for hat. H for hen. This is the letter H. Reading fun. Now let's read a short story together. A happy hen near a cozy hut was wearing a hat and waiting for a horse trot outside. STEAM activities. Let's do some fun activities together. S. Discuss about the helicopter that it is a faster air transport to move. T. Listen to the letter H by watching video. E. Guide the students make a shape of H with the help of ice cream sticks. A. Provide children with paper hats, stickers and markers to decorate their own hats. M. Count objects beginning with the sound H around you. Word building. Let's spell and read these words. H-I-T, hit. H-O-T, hot. H-E-N, hen. Review. Say and write the initial sound of the picture. Fr-og, frog. E-G, G, egg. H-U, hut. Go-A-T, goat. Hat, hat. Fox, fox. Match each picture to the correct letter. Flowers, F. Giraffe, G. Helicopter, H. Envelope, E. Hen, H. Elephant, E. Fish, F. Grapes, G. Well done, children. Goodbye.